Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, I think this about does it for the year. Lots of things have happened. Lots of tractors have made it to the ranch. Raylan has grown a lot. I've gone through some pretty major life changes myself. Just us as a family, we've gone through some pretty major changes over the course of the last, 3 years, but more so over the last year. But I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank you guys for supporting us, supporting the channel, supporting the hobby, and just being a part of this community. It's really something to see what this has become. And my channel is by no means a big channel, but we've got a big connection. And the tractors, that's just the mechanism. That's just the glue that holds us, brings us together. The friendships, all that stuff, that's the result of everything that these things can do, these inanimate objects. You know, just a bunch of like-minded people who get together a few times a year, talk over the internet, and wrench on the old stuff and keep history alive, and most importantly, bring it to the future generations. Isn't that right? Mm-hmm. Yeah? What do you say? Do you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year!
Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody.
Every Santa got the more gifts and more today.
Santa gave lots of gifts this year, so. But the best gift of all is family and friends. So I want to thank you guys for everything you've done to help support me and the channel and my family. So with that, I've got a lot of, I guess it'd be a compilation of some clips that I've saved throughout the year, and most of them have nothing to do with tractors, but I wanted to share them with you guys to kind of maybe stimulate your minds to reflect on your own lives and some of the important things that have happened within your last year. So with that, I'll leave you with a bunch of clips, and Happy New Year. Here's to a 2024 that hopefully brings us
Happy New Year too!
some really great things. So we'll see you guys later. More videos coming.
Do you like red tractors or green tractors?
Red tractors.
Red tractors? You don't like green ones?
I don't like it. I like red.
You like red. Okay. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.